Hello, fellow Allied Health 445 students. My name is Teresa Roars, and this YouTube video is to introduce my topic of interest and why, and talk about the style of communication that I will present in my final video presentation. So my subject of interest is atrial fibrillation and stroke, and specifically I'll be looking for clinical articles, randomized clinical trials looking at drugs that can help reduce the risk for stroke in patients with atrial fibrillation. This is an interesting area because there have been several new drugs in the past 4 or 5 years that's made it given us many more options in terms of treatment for stroke prevention. Stroke is of particular interest to me because I am a clinical physician assistant and I practice neurology for the past 12 years, and stroke is a lot of what we do. Atrial fibrillation is a big factor in causing stroke, and I think that it is undertreated, and I think learning more about the treatment options, their efficacy and safety is important as a clinician. It'll enable me to have better informed conversations with my patients, and the style of communication that I'm going to present my YouTube video in will be talking to a layperson, so I'm not going to use a lot of jargon, but rather try to communicate as if someone didn't have a lot of medical knowledge, again, as if I were talking to patients. So I hope that you might find this topic of interest. Again, stroke's pretty common. Maybe you know somebody who's had a stroke, or you know somebody who has atrial fibrillation. And I look forward to seeing your videos as well.